The internet. Graphic, informative, useful. Supplying our lives with the information we seek. But has it ever given us pause to wonder, to marvel, to inspire us to see beyond the task at hand? Have we ever considered searching for information as entertainment? Imagine upon the platform you're viewing, the handheld digital tablet, what it would be like to search a subject and see how much its entertainment value could influence you. To search further, farther, with more enthusiasm than simply taking in text on a page after page. Imagine exploring unique and different worlds that could enthuse your search, their websites displayed as art in one collective gallery. Then, when you realize your information is more than ordinary text, that its revelation could be just as entertaining as its discovery, imagine collecting the art that applies, the websites you enjoy, in full view, with instant review, as many as you'd like with the simple touch of the screen. We're Virtual World and Sons, and we believe it's time to look at the internet in a whole new way. Introducing Landolore, the art of the search. Landolore begins by creating a one-of-a-kind theater of sorts, a captivating, surreal world where the imagination is encouraged to soar alongside our day-to-day online activities. Into this environment, we inject the premise that information, no matter its size, nature, or number, contains entertainment value. It is art. Given this, instead of dry, didactic information, why not create something more apropos for displaying our search results? Why not present art? We call Landolore's introductory mode Dream. Here, as the sweet idols, it culls through the information of our lives, our photo folders and playlists, presenting our music and memories as the art it is. In this mode, Landolore could be considered a 3D desktop, a screensaver that's constantly evolving. Or, more aptly, a work of art where your life is on display. Moving our cursor to the right edge of frame pauses Landolore, allowing us to make more selections from its control tray. As said, we're in dream mode, but we can explore, casually browse the internet, discover, actively select, review, and store our website selections while still searching, and engage. Interact with the sites we've chosen while appreciating the influences that make them what they are. Let's explore. Say, the movies. Once you're satisfied with your selection, close the controller drawer. Landolore will do the rest. As you can see, Landolore presents you with multiple choices to peruse and consider. These are not simple, low-resolution thumbnails. These are the sites themselves. If you find a site you want to linger on, simply click on it and swipe up. When you're through, swipe it down and away. As you explore Landolore's offerings, we're sure you'll find a site or two you'll want to retain. By clicking on the site, it's then stored, much like a bookmark, awaiting use when you're through perusing the rest of Landolore's galleries. To check your selections to date, swipe the left edge of frame and open your selections drawer. All of your websites are there for review. Your list to keep or delete at your leisure. With your selected sites now stored away, the next time you engage Explore, these sites will cycle through first unless you've entered a new topic. Think of it as getting reacquainted with recent memories. After you're through exploring, Landolore invites you to discover. Just type in your search request and close the drawer. Landolore will do the rest. For example, when searching in the Discover mode, Landolore triples the amount of information for your consideration. Select away at the sites before you. After all, you'll know what you're looking for when you see it. In its final iteration, the Engage mode allows the Landolore user to interact with the sites they've selected, as well as witness what influences that site. For example, take Facebook. If a user clicks on Facebook in the Engage mode, the central presentation frame will display their newsfeed wall, the heart of the Facebook experience. As their user scrolls down that wall, they'll naturally engage other Facebook users and their comments. As each new user enters the browsing frame, their associated information goes live to the surrounding frames. Imagine the process akin to an echo. The source of the echo is the central frame. Whatever information is associated with that frame is then echoed upon the surrounding frames in the surrounding galleries. The same could be said for any subject matter or website. After all, what's the internet if not its connections? That concludes our presentation. We hope you appreciate Landolore's visual style, its aggregate process, and its ability to present data in an immersive and entertaining way. We invite you now to review our approach to the marketplace. Given its density, the remaining information will be supplied without sound. Afterwards, if you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. A PDF will be made available if you'd enjoy a hard copy of this presentation. Thank you for your time. The input is extremely valuable to Virtual World and Sons.